y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to our little kitchen. Tonight we are going to be trying a little recipe that is all over social media. The tickety top, the Facebook, everything, and that is $1 million chicken. And we are going to see if it's really that good or everybody's just lying. So we're going to start putting this together. I've got my oven set at 350 degrees. I go in and tell you that before I forget. And I know it looks like a lot of little ingredients, but it's all good stuff, right?
It looks good to me.
It looks good, yes. I said, send him a little recipe. I'm like, will you eat this? Because y'all know who be picky about some things, but we're going to try it. Now, I've got shortcut chicken, rotisserie chicken. I've done picked that chicken, and it calls for about 2 to 3 cups. So I'm just going to dump what I got in there.
Use it up.
We're going to use it. That's right. So actually, it's probably closer to about 3 cups of chicken, just chopped up. We've got all kind of stuff. I've got half a cup of mayonnaise, some good old Dukes, and we have got we're gonna do a half a cup of cottage cheese, and I've got the whole fat cottage cheese. I'm sure you can do whatever, but that's what we got. So half a cup of that. I love cottage cheese. Love it. Boom. And
she got me eating that on the cruise. Right?
I know. I was another one of those.
Who am I married to again?
Exactly.
One of,
one of those moments for sure.
Yeah.
About let's see, about a half a cup of just cheddar cheese, or more, whatever. I'm gonna do probably about 3/4 cup. But you do you. Half a cup of green onion, just chopped up. We've got 1 can of cream of chicken. This is feeling like a big old dump meal.
It's looking dump and go-ish to me.
Dump everything in and go, honey. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I ain't mad at it.
Well, I mean, if it's going to have a lot of ingredients, at least it could be easy.
That's exactly right. So 1 can of cream of chicken soup. Try not to make all this racket, but I am trying to get all my soup up out of here too. All right, we've got a 1/4 cup of jalapeno peppers, just diced up. That's going to be some good flavor right there.
Oh, yeah.
Now it calls for, let me put that over there. Don't dump that in there because that don't go in there. We've got some pimentos. You're supposed to use 1 jar of pimentos. Now, I'm not going to put all that juice in there. I'm just going to kind of dip them out. And this jar is, how many ounces? Y'all know I'm blind. 4 ounce. 4 ounce jar. So, I'm going to scoop it out of there, not use the juice. Yum yums. And then we're going to have a half a bar of cubed cream cheese. I'll get it out in a minute. Good Lord. I was worried about them pimentos. So 4 ounces of the cream cheese. I just cubed it up like so. We'll wrap that and put the rest up. Now, in a teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon, or 2 teaspoons of garlic powder and 2 teaspoons of onion powder. There was my spoon I was going to use for that. So we won't be dipping it in there. 1, 2. That's the garlic powder. Mercy. It does look like a lot of little goodies, but you see it's coming together real quick.
It really is dump and go.
It is. 1, 2 of the onion powder. Now we're just going to stir this all about. Do the hokey pokey. No.
See what that looks like in there.
Yeah, all kind of goodness going on.
Got a lot of color going on.
It does, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
Green,
colorful.
Red.
It is, yeah.
All the things.
I can see it's already creamy with the cream cheese.
It is. And the mayonnaise on top.
And the mayonnaise and the cottage cheese. It's looking creamy already.
Yes.
This is going to be a creamy chicken casserole.
You got 3 kinds of cheeses going on in there.
It's looking creamy already, for real.
Now you know, I've already told y'all, honey, in the South it ain't a casserole till what do we do to it, Russell? See if you've been listening. We put cheese and crackers
gotta
on
have
it.
cheese and crackers. That's
Cheese
right. Gotta
or
have. Well,
crackers.
I knew cheese, but they already had cheese, so I was stumped. I'm like, well, it
Yes.
ain't a casserole without cheese.
On top. It's
But yeah, to my left, to your right
yes.
there.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it was a giveaway.
Yes. So we're gonna have some crackers and cheese. We're doing it both ways. Normally it's just one or the other. But I've seen this, y'all, so many variations of this too, but I've seen probably 4 or 5 people that do it this way where they put the Parmesan cheese in the crust, and I was like, that looks like what's up right there. That's the one we're gonna do, but you can totally leave that out, and I'm sure it'll be good. Just trying to get some of this stuff broke down a little bit. All right, now I have got I've got my little chicken dish back here ready to go. I got it sprayed. I'm just going to put all this goodness in there. Let me change my little spoon out. Dump it in. It surely don't take no time to put together.
No.
I guess if it's a flop, we'll be calling it 50-cent chicken instead of $1 million. Well,
then it can be. We can add it to the
not.
tightwad menu.
No, you can't do that because there's too many ingredients for that.
Oh well. I tried.
You tried, baby. You
I
did.
Yeah.
All right. This is going to be good.
I'm gonna tell you, it looks really good.
It does. I'm going to say they got it right. Get it all spread it out here, and then we're going to put our little topping on. And we're going to bake it for about 45 minutes, 350 degrees. All right, let's get these get this goodness on here. I love me a Ritz topping, I really do.
That buttery, crunchy,
Yes,
yummy.
you can't beat it. So half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Get all these crackers. I know I'm making noise. All right. In they go. Now I've got 6 tablespoons of some melted butter. First give this a little stir. Just get it all mixed up together. Yummy, yummy. In this butter goes. For real.
Wee. Man, that's something good right
just
there.
moistens
Man, I
here.
can't. Ooh.
Because we want them crackers to stay a little crispy, crunchy.
Yeah.
Get it all moistened. All right, now. Uh-oh, I'm spilling it. Don't want to spill that goodness. We don't want to be less than $1 million, do we?
No, we don't want it to be 800,000. We want all our million.
We're going to go big, right?
Yeah, we want it all. We want all our money. Yeah.
Spread it on out.
We already know how you do. You get every
We
bit
do.
of it. So
You
we ain't
know
getting
it.
cheated on
No.
that.
It won't be because of that, I'll tell
No,
you.
it will not. We're going to get our money for.
Yeah. Russell's saying I'm cheap, y'all.
That was
That's
a
what you
nice
saying.
way of doing it.
It was a nice
baby.
way. Yeah,
it was a nice way of doing it.
It really was. All right, y'all. There it is. It didn't take no time.
And it looks fantastic.
It
I can't
does.
wait till it comes
I have a
out.
good
That's going to be the
feeling.
hardest part.
I
Waiting
have a
on
good
it.
feeling about it. I really do. All right, I'll come back in about 45 minutes and show y'all what it looks like. Look at her. Boy, it smells good. Now, I don't think we better, you better try this right off.
Well, I mean,
We might better let this
I have
cool
the
a
gullet
minute.
of steel,
I know you do, baby.
but I don't know about that one. It looks a
No.
little suspect currently.
It's hot.
Yeah.
It's hot. And I was just telling Russ, I bet this would be good over some pasta.
Ooh,
Yes.
yummy.
But anyway, we're going to let it sit and get happy for just a minute, cool off. And we'll be back to give it a little try. Tell you what we think of it. All right, y'all. Moment of truth.
Moment
Time
of
for
truth.
this $1 million chicken.
$1 million.
Million
Let's see
dollars.
if it's worth all that.
See if you can take it to the bank. You're
I'm
already
gonna
going
tell you
back
what.
for a second bite.
I'm gonna tell you what.
Tell us what.
It's pretty darn good.
It's pretty good.
I don't know about $1 million, but hey,
It's good. Think it'd be good over some pasta?
I think it would be very, very good
That
over
was my
like
thought.
some noodles or even rice.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
It's nice and a little crunchy on top.
fantastic.
Oh, good.
But you know,
I know.
it's just like screaming at me on the plate, y'all.
Listen, y'all. We got some of them good old Eddie Stove tomatoes. Thank you to Pam and Taryn. Oh, my goodness. They hooked us up. And my sister as well, Lynn.
Wow,
Whew. Them maters, y'all. That's what's
I'm
up.
telling you, it don't get no better than that.
No.
They ain't really nothing in this country no better than that. If you've never had them, I just don't know how to describe it.
I grew up on them, so
She's spoiled rotten on them.
spoiled rotten,
I
honey.
mean, she don't even know how good
Well,
she had it with the
I
tomatoes.
do, because when I moved here, I was like, oh, what's wrong with y'all's maters? They ain't the same.
Yeah.
And, and then when he tasted ours, he agreed.
Yeah, it's
It hits different.
next level. Yeah,
They do. They really hit different.
it's even like known history,
It
story, all
is.
that. Yeah.
I didn't realize that. And I was talking to Miss Karen, and she said, oh, I read it. I was like, oh, there's something about it. I didn't realize it. Sure
Yeah.
enough.
If you ever travel to the low country of South Carolina in
Yes.
June, end of May, June, 1st of June, end of June, around
Yeah,
June.
they just finished their picking and stuff, I think, like last week, maybe
Wow.
first of the week. Good.
Unbelievable.
Now he's going on more about them tomatoes.
Well, I can't help it. Let's get back to the $1 million
that
chicken casserole.
The $1 million
Yeah.
maters.
I've been going on about the vegetables, y'all. Every single video.
We do love some good
And
vegetables.
the tomatoes are just like next level.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, the casserole is fantastic. Crunchy. It's got a little bit of a kick with the jalapenos
Which gives it a
and the
good flavor.
pimentos. It's got almost a little, pimento cheese with the cheese in there. A
Really?
little pimento
You know, I
cheese.
didn't taste it.
Yeah,
I'm
do
gonna
that.
taste it.
Get that. And see
I
what
didn't
you
taste
think.
it. Let me give you my take on
Yeah,
it.
it's
Because I have not
I
ever
really,
made
it's got
this.
kind of a pimento cheesy, creamy. I think it does.
You're right.
Yeah, kind of a pimento cheesy chicken.
He's not wrong.
Yeah, to me it had kind of a pimento cheesy. Yeah,
Got a little kick.
a little bit of kick, a little heat, not hot,
Not
but just a
terrible.
little hint of a heat with the jalapenos, and crunchy,
It didn't make me
creamy,
cough.
very good. I mean, I thought it was.
is.
Very different as far as flavor goes for me. I hadn't had, we hadn't. I don't think I've
It's
ever.
jam-packed
We had a
full of flavor.
Southwest chicken casserole that was similar. It had jalapenos in it, but it didn't have pimentos in it.
You know what else this would be good on? A tortilla.
Very good on the tortilla. Yeah, it
would
would
be
be.
good
It sure
on a
would.
tortilla.
It really would. It really would.
It would.
Yeah.
That's good, y'all.
With some pico, because the tomato goes. Get you a slice there. Get
And
you a
I'll
little
tell
bite
you,
of that tomato.
I just
in there.
did. I just ate a hunk of it while I was
Okay,
cutting
well,
it.
She done had some of
I
that.
did. Putting some Crazy Jane on it, but that would be really good. We did that casserole with the fried tortillas on top.
Yes.
That would be good. That would be really good.
With the tortillas on
Yeah,
top
on
instead.
top.
Well,
I mean,
instead
it's
of-
great with the Ritz. I'm just saying, for a little spin.
Yeah, to
them
change it up,
fried
do the tortillas instead of the
yes.
Ritz. Yeah, it
Woo.
would be. Yep.
Anyway, it's good. And y'all, I did flub up. I was just answering my comments because it is Friday and my fried okra patties just come out. And I did mess up because I said, y'all go check out that okra perlo. And one of the little sweet people, they're like, I have looked everywhere and can't find okra perlo. You know why?
Yeah,
It's not called okra perlo. It's Limpin' Susan.
right.
That's why. But I did post it in the link. I put the link in the description.
Yeah, because I was like, have we even made okra purloin?
Yes, we did. And I was
yeah,
like,
it wa-
okra
I
and bacon
thought
and
about that when
onions
she
and
said it.
rice. My
Yeah,
mind,
Limpin'
honey.
Susans.
We still, around our household, we did call it okra perlo, but the technical name for it is Limpin' Susan.
Yeah.
So y'all check out old Limpin' Susan.
If you're looking for that recipe, she posted the link.
Yes. And also one other little tip on the okra fritters. If you got a little bacon grease to add into it, honey, it does hit different. But I was all out. I tell you what I did. I was so upset. I had my little bacon can. I was adding my little hot bacon grease in it. Dropped it.
Yeah.
It went everywhere.
That had been
My little bacon grease,
yeah,
y'all.
that was a bad day.
So I got to build back up. We hadn't had a lot of bacon. Speaking of bacon, bacon goes in this a lot of times as well.
That would be good too.
Bacon.
Never a bad idea to add bacon.
No. A lot of people add bacon, so another little whatever. This is also would be good as just a dip. I think that was a dip originally back in the
It would be.
whatever.
Tortillas. Yeah, it would be good.
Skip it with some tortillas, honey. Anyway, good stuff, y'all. We enjoyed it. I'd say make it. I'd say try it.
Absolutely.
Give it a try. It's good.
$1 million. Give it a shot.
$1 million chicken, honey. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for trying it with us, hanging out with us, loving on us, and all the things. And until next time.